Nice stir fry. Very pretty. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a vegetable stir fry with garlic sauce. Alright, I make this garlic sauce earlier. This is garlic sauce I make earlier. And I have all the veg prep over there. This is all the veg. Alright, this is all the veg we prep earlier. So all of this is going to go in the wok. Okay, it's a vegetarian. Vegetarian garlic sauce. Okay. Garlic sauce stir fry. Okay, with veg. Alright. Get going and get the stuff. Thank you guys for watching, supporting my channel. Alright. Let me get some oil. Fry the onions, the carrots. Add the broccoli, peppers. I'm not gonna fry too much. I like my broccoli a little crunchy. I like to have my veg a little crunchy when I'm eating. I don't like to overcook my veg. Add some pak choy, the stems. Add the cabbage. That's the pak choy. That's it. I'm gonna throw the sauce. Give it a nice mix. Very fast, guys. That's it. Stir fry finish. Make sure you put your oil. Show you all. Alright, that's it, guys. Thank you for Thank you. You guys have a good day. Alright. That's with the jasmine rice we make earlier. Let me show you. That's gonna go with the rice, okay? Stir fry veg.